If you've been trying to find ways like me to drink or consume more protein, you have to try this Oat Nutrition Clear Proteins. So far is the best that I've tried. When it comes to taste, they have different flavors. These has become one of my favorite, and I love the caramel apple. It has 20 grams of protein, and also I love the fact that you can take it as a refreshing drink, especially during the summer, is something that you really appreciate. And the fact that also they have this presentation, they have different presentations, but this presentation has been very convenient because I can take it to work, I can take it to a trip, I can take it with me on a plane. However, the way that I enjoy it the most, my most favorite way to consume it, is when I'm at home and I want to do a slushy like this or do something fun with it that it feels like you're indulging, but that it's not. And that's the best part. You are consuming your protein while enjoying something that tastes actually good. And you don't have this aftertaste that is. I think we all have done that and we all have tried that. So in this case, what I like to do is just in some water with ice. In this case, I didn't put so much ice, but you can put as much ice as you want. And then it has this opening over here. So you just go ahead and open it. And this is how it looks. And then you are just gonna pour it there. So this is the perfect serving size. The smell is so good, so delicious. And then you're gonna be ready to go. And then there you go. If you want it thicker than this, you can just add more ice. And like I said, you can do it as a slushy. If not, this will be the consistency. But if not, it will be a little bit more icy. And this is just so yummy. You can just put it in your tumbler to take to work. You can put extra ice, or you can just drink it directly like this. However, I like to enjoy it during the day, so I will just transfer it to my other tumbler, put more ice on it, a little bit more water if you feel like you want to dilute the taste a little bit or you want it to last longer, and then you will have a perfect drink, summer drink, that you can take while you're out and about, that is healthy, is very yummy, and is helping with your fitness goals. So give it a try.